I taking a video now? This is my Beatles lamp. There's my Jimi Hendrix. This is the guitar room. I have a ukulele here. Here is Believe in Yourself, the guitar. Brian Faith Band, the Faith Band, Bernie and the Embers. All the things I love in life, my children. Just a little tour. I was going to take a picture. And then right here it says, a great success begins with a dream. Here's my living room, and behind me is coastal California. Things I look at every day, television. Art. Music. I have plants outside. And oils. It's evening. I'll turn on this light. See, it's flickering, but it's actually a diffuser. So, good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bedbugs bite. Instead of listening to the news, I guess I could play my music box. So I'm going to go out of the living room into this little bedroom by the Beatles lamp, and I'm going to play it. There's a dolphin that I swam with in Nouvelle Vallarta. She was magnificent. It was a gift from my husband. Cherish. Good night.